Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to make carrot halwa. Take 1 kg carrot and grate. Heat 1/4 cup ghee and add grated carrot. Fry for 2 minutes. Then again add 1/4 cup ghee. Fry for few minutes. Add 1 cup sugar and mix well and stir it till the sugar dissolves. When the sugar dissolves, add half cup milk. If the sugar is not enough, add another half cup sugar. Stir continuously and cover and cook for 10 minutes in a low flame. Stir in between. Now uncover and cook till it dries up. Add some nuts but don't add raisins. And fry for a few minutes in a medium flame. Now add cardamom powder and mix well. The halwa is ready now. Try this recipe and comment me below. Please like, share and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification button to get notified whenever I upload. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for my next video. Till then, bye.